There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango GT Blacktop in white knuckle. With HID headlamps, blind spot and crosspath detection, 20-inch aluminum wheels, black roof rails, gloss black badging, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, selectable steering modes, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7206.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.